The maximum flow problem is a classic problem in network flow theory that aims to find the maximum flow from a source node to a sink node in a flow network. The problem can be efficiently solved using the ford-fulkerson method. Can be implemented using the networkx library in Python. Requirements first. Make sure you have the networkx library installed. If you don't have it installed, you can do so using pip-bash pip install networkx steps to solve the maximum flow problem 1. Import the necessary libraries. Import networkx for managing graphs and matplotlib for visualization if needed. Create a directed graph. Use networkx to create a directed graph where nodes represent entities and edges represent the capacity of flow between them. Add nodes and edges. Define the source, sink, and capacities of the edges. Compute maximum flow. Use the built-in maximum flow algorithms provided by networkx. Display results. Optionally display the flow values along the edges. Code example. Here is an example of how to implement the maximum flow problem using networkx. Python import network, sx import matplotlib, pyplot create a directed graph ganks. The graph at Canada, 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 takes it easy, Canada, Canada, is a little field, there is easy, Canada, 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 the same. Canada, the sense, Canada, the sense of the field, Canada, the field, Canada, the long. Why? Value say by so 5 wall comedy GPU or we lose this view so view, but to be view to view so graph creation. A directed graph digraph is created to represent the flow network. Adding edges are added with a specified capacity indicating the maximum flow that can pass through that edge. Maximum flow calculation. The maximum flow function is called with the source and sink nodes. It returns the maximum flow value and a dictionary containing the flow values along each edge. Results display the maximum flow value and the flow along each edge are printed to the console. Visualization. The graph is visualized using matplotlib, showing both the capacities and the flow along the edges. Conclusion. The above example illustrates how to set up and solve the maximum flow problem in Python using the networkx library. You can modify the edges and capacities to suit different flow network scenarios. The visualization helps in understanding how the flow is distributed across the network.